Okay, let's get started with the demo. This is the website. This is the main home page. I will show you how these home pages are created. Let's go through each section of the website with each button one by one. So if I want to search, I can put a string and search here. What I will get is the website content. Go back and I will try something else. So this will look for the relevant areas in the application and search for the content. When I click on products, I can see the product list. Some images are updated, some are not. I'll show in the dashboard how the images are updated. So this is the product page. I'm selecting a quantity and adding to the cart. I can see the cart now. I can reduce the quantity or even remove the product. I can go back and add, continue shopping, add, continue shopping, and add more and see the cart. I can check the details of the product from the card also. So let me edit. Let me remove these. Let me stay as it is. So blog section. I will see the blogs that are posted. We have a way to post these blogs from the admin dashboard. I will show that later. So this blog, for example, this is the content, the tags, everything. You can populate these blogs accordingly. Projects. Are there any projects that we have taken? Those will be shown here. Completed projects, ongoing projects, planned projects, details on each project. All of this can be provided in the admin dashboard. Okay, request service. So if my client wants to request a service, they can do that. For example, um, security access assessment. Please conduct for my application name. Okay, I will send a message. My request has been submitted. So if I am the admin, I will be able to go and see the service requests that we have got. So I can go to the dashboard. I can go to service request section and see all the service requests. I can update the status of all the requests. For example, uh, security assessment is pending. I will mark it as in progress. This one I will mark it as completed and so on. So if I want to go and chat with the AI assistant, I can do it here, or we also have this bot. So let's say if I'm on the website, what I can do is I can chat with the bot. Hi, list down the products that you offer. Just give a list. And it has replied back by pulling some data from the database. So it will basically query the database. It will read through all of that data and then reply accordingly. Can you recommend product that I can buy for mobile application security? So this question is not directly related to the content inside the application. Rather, I'm asking it a general or a external question. And it should go in the backend and search for the data and understand my query and then reply. So let's see. So it does reply back. The context, it doesn't see a specific product listed, but it can suggest the endpoint detection and response suite. It's saying that it might be relevant. So, it will give contextual answers. Let's say, what is the specialty of your company? Very general question. Again, it will read through all the database and reply accordingly. So let's say if I want to ask about this, tell me more about management. So it will go deeper into the data, search for more context, and it will be back with the answers. So let's see if I go to this. We can see it's looking into the backend and replying accordingly. Okay, let's go to the pages. This is simple. Contact us and help and support. Very simple. So the navbar is done. Now I can see here that some sections are accessible. If I click on this button, I can go back to the product. If I click on learn more, I can go back to the about and so on. So let me go to the dashboard, the normal dashboard. Here I can change my profile, like the details. I can see the order history if I have placed any orders. I can see the service requests and the settings. So if I go to the profile, I can edit my profile. Now when I go to admin dashboard, since I'm an admin, I will be able to see the backend of this application. In the dashboard section, I can take a comprehensive look at the orders and other details. In the users section, I can see what users are registered. I can edit those users. You know, I can make some changes if I feel like, and those will start to reflect once I log out. So if I log out and get back in, see the change has reflected. Let me change that back. Saving the changes. You can delete the users also. Product section. All the products that you saw here can be managed from the admin section. So I can edit. I can rename this. Let's say demo. I will change the price to say $128 and I will update it. For this, it will immediately start reflecting. Let me change it back. updating the product, it will reflect back. So this is your area where you can add products and do all the changes that you want to the website. Adding a new product, demo product. What is the price? 230. Stock is, let's say, 7 pieces only. Active. Category. Description. Image. So let me find an image. So let's say we take this image. We will be deleting that later, and I will click the product. As soon as I go to the product section, I can see this new created product with the image. I can add it to the cart and do whatever I want. Okay, coming back to the admin dashboard in the product section, I will delete this product. It's immediately reflecting. I want to add some. So if you go to the dashboard, it's saying 3 products with low stock. So let's say I think these are the 3 that are having a low stock. Let me increase the stock. Update. If I go to dashboard, it will say 2 products with low stock because this has gone above. If we did this and change the stock to 100, now it will say that there is just 1 product with low stock. So it will immediately reflect all the things. Categories. So you can add and change categories also. These categories are for the sorting of the product. Orders, you can manage the orders. So let's say I have an order number and I want to update the status. I can update it. Shipped. We have shipped the product from our go down. I'm updating the status. You will immediately see the note here. Okay, go back. It has been marked as shipped. Again, I can go and update delivered. Update. It has been delivered. I can probably go back and do the change to processing. Again, going back, we made it. We are updating it to due to some queries. Updating it back to orders. Go back. You'll see the note. So, order section. Content pages. Now, this is the area where you get to edit this home page. So, this home page is modular. I will first show you how I add this image. I'll go back to the content pages section. Which section was this? Secure your business. Secure your business with advanced cybersecurity solutions. So I will go here and find an image for cybersecurity. Security images. Let's pick something interesting. I think this will be good. I'm copying this link and I'm putting it here in the image. I'm updating it. Going here. See, it has got updated. You can customize this as much you want. You can change the nature of this. So if I change it to about us, it will change the way it is showing. See, the image has gone. If I go back and I change it to um, custom section, probably it's the same. If I go back to contact form and see, the background image has changed and this text is showing up. So all of this is customizable. We will be bringing more customizations to this page later. Now, another interesting thing is I can change the order of these sections. So for example, I want to bring the I want to bring this down. I'll go here. I will change the display order to 4 and I will update it. If I go back, see, it has gone down. So you can change the order. I'll bring it back to I'll bring it back to 0, 0, 8. It has gone back on the top. So let me add a new section to the page, entirely new section. So I'm adding a new section. Section identifier is hero banner. Welcome to. Okay. Button text is about us. Button link is about. Display is 0. Order is 0. It's up here. So here this is showing on the second order. Let's see what we can do about it. I'll change the order of this to 1 and I will update it. Let's see now what happens. It is still going to the, so even this button is broken, right? We can change that. We will be able to, if I fix this, then probably it will get fixed. See, it's gone back to about us. So now this page that you are able to see, you can create a number of pages like this. I will show you a demo of that also. So content pages, add new page, title, um, demo page. This is a demo page, right? Publish immediately. I can see the demo page and view it. This is a demo page. Probably pull some lorem ipsum so it will fill the data. Okay, I'm copying this and coming here in the demo page and I'm adding some filler data. What's the, this is the location, right? Now what I can do is this button, I can assign that page to this button. So if I go to admin dashboard homepage section, welcome to SOC, I will this link I will change the demo page link and I will update it. As soon as I click on this button, I can see the demo page. So you can do a lot of customization. You can add new pages and you can give links to the buttons to open these pages. You don't need to write even a single line of code. You can do all of that from the admin dashboard only. So content pages are for serving that only. Help and support center, etc., etc. Or it's okay. Blog posts. So the blog post that you saw here is manageable from the admin section. In the same way that you can change it in whatever way you want. You can create new blogs also from here. And then the project section, what projects you have taken. Okay, so you can manage the projects from here.